Hey guys, Justin Drax here. I'm at my cousin's house right now. She's doing something. So, we are taking apart this old tablet. And she was afraid I was going to make this explode. This is like the battery thing. But, this is so cool. Like, oh, so there. Well, yeah, it's just awesome. Leave in the comment down. Leave your comment in the section down below if electronics are fascinating to you. Because to me, anything electronic is just, oh my god, so fascinating. You wouldn't believe it, but so yeah, it's just awesome. I'm actually gonna turn that back on. Okay. This bed is about 3 feet off the ground. And it is very hard to get onto. Oh, it's that. Okay. There's nothing on the screen. I'm sorry. So, okay, this is weird. It's like, what? I don't know. Whoa. It's just so fascinating. Like, the motherboard and all the little microchips. It's just so freaking crazy. Oh, that's a button. Should I be pressing that button? Who knows? Who cares? What's up? Making a YouTube video.
With what?
iPod. So,
Oh, you got it off. Okay, give me it.
Can I take the battery thing apart? You pull it off and I take it apart?
Sure.
Yes!
Hold on. Okay.
So, I'm here with...
What?
You have to say the name because my parents threw a big fuss over it.
Really?
Yeah. I'm here with...
Jesse.
That's my YouTube channel.
What?
Whatever.
Jelena, I guess.
Yeah. I'm here with a fellow YouTuber, my cousin. And we are taking apart, like I said earlier, a old tablet.
It's not really that old.
So what? It's YouTube. Leave me alone. This is gonna be fun. Okay, you, Mr. Pumpkin. You step there. Then fill up the
Okay,
stem.
so guys, this is what it looks like inside of it.
Yeah, it's just really fascinating.
It uses a weird, like, kind of cloth-ish tape.
Yeah.
Like this cloth-ish stuff.
It's that stuff that I pulled off the screen earlier. So, let's get to taking this apart. I do not trust that. Something's vibrating on your bed.
It's called a fan, child. Oh yeah, I have the same fan as you.
That's not the same fan as me.
It is. So it's just a different color.
As the blue one in my bedroom?
Yeah.
Not even close. Mine is a box fan.
Oh, yeah.
Technical difficulties. Oh,
Don't open it on my bed. Open it on the floor.
why?
Because,
It's fine.
no.
Do you trust me?
I don't want my bed covered in the battery juices.
It's not going to be covered in the battery juices.
Batteries have juices in them, so take that off of my bed.
Fine. To the floor.
To the floor.
Look, I want to hear
Not
skills.
You get to sit on it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so. I'm going to use this chair. Then I'm going to sit over here. Yeah, this is probably going to be a video about literally nothing. Like, so I was at school in STEM.
Oh my god.
If you don't know what that means,
If you don't know what God means. But oh my god.
if you don't know what STEM means, science, technology, engineering, and math. So I was in STEM class day before yesterday, on Thursday, and I learned that a pencil, a pencil is technology.
A pencil ain't technology.
Yes, it is.
I know it is.
Do you have scissors? Oh, hand me those scissors in your bag.
Don't break them. These are special.
They're titanium.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Oh. Oops. Stand by. So, I think you guys should go check out her channel, Jelena Pomeroy.
I'm gonna actually start posting things on my channel because I never really post on mine.
And Jesus.
What?
So, I don't know. Whoa.
What?
There she is.
Let me see.
Can you guys see that? Can you focus? Well, oh, that smells so good.
What?
It smells like an expo.
No, that does not smell good.
Well, you're you. I'm me. It smells like an expo to me.
It does smell like an expo.
You don't like the smell of expos?
No. I do, kind of.
Comment down below.
It's just a little bit more stronger than an expo marker.
Yeah. Comment down below if you're like me.
Me.
I like the smell of gasoline.
Oh, I
And
love
expo
the smell
markers.
of gasoline. And I love that brand new wood smell. I
Like
love that
the-
smell that you
The
smell-
cedar.
That smell you smell when you enter Home Depot. I
Like the
love it.
cedar smell.
Yeah. And that
Whoa.
brand new smell. Oh, Lord help me.
Oh my god. So, Jelena
Yes?
just went through a tragic incident.
What?
She knows what I'm talking about.
The breakup?
Mhm.
Oh, don't even put it on YouTube.
It's already recording.
Never mind. Whatever. Don't even say any more about the tragic breakup with me and German.
Yeah, there's this weird kid named German.
Who still likes my posts. And you're probably watching it right now, German. Creep.
No, because it's my channel, not yours. He doesn't know my channel.
He does.
Oh,
Let me smell. Give me it. Give me it. Let me see it.
that's very weird. Smell. Put it like up close to your nose, like right here.
No.
That's what I did.
I think they drew Expo marker all over it.
That's not Expo marker. That's like oily. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I can take it out. Oh wow. Wowie, wowie, wow.
Well.
Oh my god.
Wow.
If you guys have ever had like a fruit roll-up, think of that. That's like a fruit roll-up. It's like fruit roll-up stuff. Like the wax paper. Hey, can you go get me like a damp paper towel? Or something?
What? The smell? You don't like it?
Ugh, it's very strong.
So I'm guessing you don't like it.
It is very fascinating though. I don't know how. It just is. I'm weird. Okay, I said it.
I'm weird too. Everything.
Oh my god.
What? No. That is just like a freaking fruit roll-up.
Yo. Oh my god.
Dude, that's a freaking fruit
It's
roll-up.
so long.
Dude, that's
Okay.
a freaking fruit roll-up.
Oh.
Dude, it has the freaking metal that I peeled off of the...
Hold it. Hold it. This is no joke how long it is. And yet, guess what? It gets longer.
Oh my god. I'm gonna Oh my gosh, I love this. Give me this. Oh, this tin foil. Oh my gosh.
Do you have any like face masks? Okay, that happened.
Help me, Lord. Fucking chair.
You don't have to rage.
Hallelujah! Demon, get out of
That
this.
smells so good.
Demon, get out of this household.
It's no joke wax, people. That smells so good.
That fucking face though. You can edit it out. That face though. I still smell you, demon.
Let me see it. Oh, it's so good. I don't know what it smells like. Okay.
Okay, throw that shit out.
That's it for this video. If you liked it,
I like this stuff.
comment down below. Like I said earlier, comment down below if you
Smell
like
it. Look at that face. Look at that face.
Smells like that fishing stuff. Okay, comment down below.
It smells like fishy pussy.
If you guys like the smell of Expo marker and gasoline, I, myself, am a very strange child.
Get out of my way. I am a strange child, too.
Yeah, but I'm psychotic. Can I take this off?
No.
Okay, shout out time. Jazzy Travers, Kevin Hyphonics, Hiphonics, and Jelena Pomeroy.
Yes.
And also, who else? Jacksepticeye, if you haven't subscribed to him
Markiplier,
already.
too.
Yeah, Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, PewDiePie. They're all awesome.
Sniper Wolf.
Sure. So, if you like this,
And
like,
that girl with
subscribe.
the big huge boobs? I love her. She's awesome.
like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!